Alright guys, so for the second video today I'll be teaching you guys one of the most essential tools in trading called Trendlines. Trendlines basically find critical support and resistance lines. So you can select the trend line from the top left over here, trend line, and you need 1 to 2 points to connect. It's basically like drawing the dots. It's really easy. So let's say this here can be a point. This here can also be another point. So let's connect the dots. Point number 1, point number 2. So as you guys can see, when it hits the resistance line, it just rejects. So obviously, and this here would be the support. First point, second point. Sorry it already happened, but I did trade this. So I'll try to get you guys a live trade. So I just preferred the time. So let's say this never happened. The support line can stay here. So we can still use this here as a point for the future. So let's say I was just watching it go up there. As you guys can see, after it went up, it went down. So I can connect the other dot, connect this point here, connect the second point over here. As you guys can see, it went to the resistance over here. Alright guys, so since it broke the support, it went crashing down. So immediately when I saw it break, I entered the short position somewhere around here. As you guys can see, I entered at 3257 with 5,000 US dollars on a short. I'm at 2.4% profit so far, and I can see it going to $3,000 to $3,100. So it's really easy. I also did the other week a trade over here. Let me just replay it. So the other week I was just watching Bitcoin. When I saw it go up, then went down, I immediately knew that I can connect 2 points. First point over here, and second point over here. I still do not know where I can, but actually no. I can just connect this point over here, this potential other point over here. So there. As you guys can see, it went to the potential support, it bounced, and now that it has multiple points, it's strong support, and it would also reject it on the resistance. Now it broke it. As you guys can see, it broke it over here. I did enter a short position here, and I did double my money. As you guys can see, it came crashing down. You can literally just trade on supports and resistance lines, and it's quite easy. So let's just show you guys a forex example that has not broken anything yet. Euro USD. So I can use this point, and here on the second point, I can also make a support from here, second point, third point. When it goes to the support line, it'll just bounce up if it goes to resistance line. So here, this is a triangle. If it breaks the resistance line, it'll just go up. If it breaks the support line, it will go down. And that's how you trade trend lines. So this is it for today. If you guys have any questions, just comment down and I'll be here to help you.